Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are doing well and following my instructions to improve your IELTS band score, which is very important for your bright future. In the last two lessons I talked about almost three lessons. I talked about speaking skill, but today I'm going to talk about writing skill. Writing skill is another important skill, and it is also, I think, an easier skill to score a high band. These two skills, speaking, writing, go along with each other, as they are easier to perform and get a high score, especially because most of us are very easy in writing tasks because it's a self task and you have to write pour your ideas on the paper, but they must be in a sequential chronological manner. Sorry. Most students uh, can easily pass the writing task, but they don't score high. There are few reasons behind this, because they don't know what they have to write, how they have to write. They don't actually know about the simple and complex tenses, how they should prepare, how they should write the essay. I've talked about introduction and the key phrase, how to paraphrase it. But today I'm going to talk about simple and complex sentences. The name simple sentence is evident that it is writing simple English, and complex means difficult or confusing or many thoughts at the same time. If we talk about simple sentence, and it is subject, verb, object, and an independent clause. But when it comes to complex sentence, then there are more than one clauses. It can be two clauses, it can be three clauses, and it is a difficult way of writing. You might make some more mistakes if you compare it with simple sentence. Paragraphing is another thing. If you are not writing in paragraphs, you are writing in a single train that you have started and then you complete it without dividing it into different ideas, thoughts in paragraphs. You are certainly losing your marks. You must paragraph your ideas. They are like bullets, they are like headings, and they provide the examiner easy access of information to your mind, how you conceive the ideas, how you are trying to explain them, and you get easy marks and score high. But if you write in a single thought, single paragraph without dividing into different paragraphs, you might lose your score. You might make more mistakes. You are losing an easy way of scoring high band in IELTS. As far as the simple and complex sentences are concerned, you should start with the simple. You may use some complex sentences, and most of the people or teachers advise to use some complex sentences. But if you are not confident about it and you are a little bit worried about your grammar, you shouldn't be using too much of the complex sentences, because you might make different mistakes which can lessen your marks and you may lose a high score in IELTS. And writing is a task which can improve your band in IELTS. So you should use mostly simple sentence. You can use some complex sentences here and there, and it is even they are not difficult. But if you practice them daily or basis on daily basis, now and then, and keep on writing one or two paragraphs, certainly you can improve your score and you can become master of it. As you know, practice makes the man perfect. My mother used to say this, quote this proverb, and it is really True that practice makes a man perfect. Without practice, you can be nowhere and you can fail. But doing the practice, even if you are not very proficient in English, you can certainly improve your scores. Uh, there is another important thing about writing paragraphs or writing an essay. Uh, these are the articles. The use of articles is another important thing that you are marked for, and you can score high if you are using the articles like a and the conjunctions, interjections. Certainly, no doubt you will improve score. It will become easier for you to write and cover your vocabulary, and certainly you will perform well. Hope you are understanding and following my points. Thank you. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.